So this video is going to be of number 68, Oh Susanna, on the snare drum. The biggest thing to remember with this one is that there is a pickup note. So, you know, how many rests do you have before you start? Look at it. How many rests do you have before you start on the snare drum line? Remember, the snare drum part are the stems going up. The stems going down is the bass drum part. And I'm talking about the snare drum part. So how many rests do you have before you start playing the snare drum part? There's 2. And do you see that first one? The first one is in its own little measure. It's just 1 rest instead of, you would figure that there'd be 4 beats, right? In a measure, that's what the time signature tells us. But that one is just like a little lone wolf, and it's just by itself. That is a pickup note. Some songs start before beat 1. That's just how it is. Like bingo is 1. There was a farmer had a dog and bingo was his name. Oh, that note that comes before you start like clapping. There was a farmer had a dog. It kind of comes in before beat 1. Beat 1 is where you would want to start to clap. Happy birthday actually has pickup notes too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So it, you know, that happy comes in before the strong beat 1. So the song has a pickup note too. In the rest of the band, they play the pickup note. You do not. So the biggest thing to remember is when we're counting off, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ready, go. 4, 1, 4, 1. Okay, so you've got, you know, I always want you to try to count, especially now that you're 6th graders, I want you to try to count while you're playing. That would really, really, really help. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see my drum. Let's make sure you can see my drum. You sure can. All right, here we go. Oh, Susanna. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, notice there was no 4. It's because they had that pickup note and they kind of had to make up for that like extra beat. And so they only put 3 beats in the last measure.